Hey guys, so we have some pony mail today. So I'm going to go through what's in the box. So it looks like our first pony is Peachy. And she is dirty, but let's see here. A few surface marks. She might clean up really well with just some magic eraser and a good bath. She has a little rattle. She's probably lost her tail washer. But that would be nice if she's so easy to clean. Oh, we have a very grimy pony. I believe this is Apple Delight. It's one of the family ponies. And, oh, he is so dirty. But again, I really think he might be in really good shape underneath all that dirt. It's very dirty, though. Now, there is Posey, so soft. Her flocking, wow, I think there's a little bit of rub on her ear, but her flocking is really good. So getting her cleaned up and getting those stains off, I think she's going to clean up really nice, actually. I'm hoping. Look at that pink hair. Her hair is so pink, and this is the fading pink. So, yeah, she's going to be a really nice pony when she's clean. Just got to get that off of there. Ew. All right. A little baby Glory with some tail rust and a few surface marks. Oh, a little stain in her hair. That should hopefully come out too with a good scrub. Oh, and we have a vintage Seashell. Again with the rattle. Now, she's got some yellowing going on and some stains. A little pink there. She'll need some sun fading. And we'll see what she looks like when she's all finished. Alright, we have a bow tie. I think that's paint. Anyway, that should hopefully wash off too. Let's see. Wow, these are like some yellow here. That'll fade out with some sun fading too. We'll see. We'll see. I'm hopeful. They looked a lot worse in the photos. Okay, she's got a haircut and some staining. Alright, so then we have Up and Away, and she's a little more baity. Oh yeah, she's got some chews in her poor little ear, and her hair's been cut. So she is what I really call a bait pony. This is clearly bait. I mean, when their vinyl is damaged like that, that is not a little cleaning or sun fading that will fix that. Oh, and we've got Princess Primrose. She looks like she's been getting her lean on. She might not even stand. Yeah, her feet have gotten a little squashed. But her jewel's still a little bit sparkly. That's pretty. Yeah, she might clean up okay. She'll have to spend some time getting stretched back out in the right direction. Let's see if I can lean her on someone. There we go. And, oh, what happened to your face? She's got blue. I think somebody gave her a makeup job. She's got some eyeliner and some blue blush, but a little sun fading should have fixed her up. Twice as fancy. I'm trying to remember if she's also called Bow Tie, but she's the twice as fancy version. I don't know all the names. Oh. And Gingerbread. You are actually probably going to look really nice when you're done. Look at those eyes. Can you see that sparkle? Oh, she's so pretty. And her marks. Her cutie marks are in great shape. She's dirty and she's yellowed, but she will turn white. Her pink hair has gone white. But she will look really good, I think, when she's all put back together. I'm excited about this lot, guys. This is a lot better than I had hoped. And baby quackers! Oh, isn't he cute? I love I love baby quackers. So, I think you've had a haircut though. A few little pink marks, maybe some rust. Oh, but that face. Oh. Oh, what happened to you, poor Brush and Grow Pony's losing her head. Alright, well, she'll need a little work, and I'm not sure if she's working or not. She might just have had her glue come out. I don't know. She's got some regrind going on, some pink, possibly an age spot. But we'll see how she looks when she's clean. She's got some more flaws. Oh, poor little Rusty Betty by eyes. But let's see, I think there's 2 of these in this batch. Yep, there's the other one. Dirty. These are what I call well-loved. They were played with a lot. And I think most of us can vouch for how much we loved our ponies growing up. So, I'm not surprised. And a little baby Firefly. Oh gosh, they wrote on, this is frustrating when this kind of stuff happens. So they wrote on here, and all I can do is hope that that is, I'm actually going to, hoping that's not permanent marker. I can't get the sticker off my finger. There we go. Let's see if it's permanent marker or something else. So, take a little detour here because I want to know if this is permanent. Oh, rubbing alcohol. I think that might be. Well, it's in the vinyl, that's for sure. So, that's going to need a little bit more sun fading to remove. They got it. They were writing on the label and wrote on the pony. Darn it. But, oh well. Some sun fading should hopefully alleviate that. Just takes longer. I was hoping. Let's see what else. We've got a very dirty, ew, what's in there? Yuck. A very dirty Peachy, but you know, she looks pretty good. Oh, she's had a haircut. But she's really dirty. So we'll see. I'm actually very pleased. This lot was much better. Last item in the box is a little saddle. Yay! So this lot came out a lot better than I had hoped. Alright guys, well, there they are in all their dirty glory. Time for them to get scrubbed up and cleaned up and spend some time getting those marks faded off, and boy, they should be really good. There's only a couple in that batch that are probably a little beyond my capabilities, but we'll see. You never know. Sometimes I surprise myself. But thanks for watching, everyone. I'm so glad you tuned in, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and we'll get to show you these guys next time. Bye!